friends, welcome to my channel Kashya Aurora. Today we are gonna make a clock with the paper plates. So are you ready? So first of all, let's see what we need to make a clock. So we need one paper plate, two hands of the clocks. This is for hours, this is for minutes. These are numbers for the clocks 1 to 12. These three circles form to fix their hands. This is scale form which we are gonna stick it on the back. Then we need a scissor, a push pin and a glue. It will be very exciting. Now let's start. So first of all, we will color the paper plate. You can choose it your choice, like white, but it's white. You can choose black, orange, pink, white. Now let's paste numbers on the paper plate. 2, 1, 12, 7, 3, 4, 6, 11, 5. We will paste the numbers like this on the clock. Let's paste the more numbers. 2, 9, 10, 11. See, the numbers are ready. Now with the push pin, we will make a hole in the center of the clock. Here it is. In the push pin, we will fit our hands like this. One circle form, then minutes hand. Then again one circle form, then hours form. And then in the last we will put the circle form. It's ready. Like this, tick tock, tick tock, tick tock, tick tock, tick tock. It's moving tick tock, tick tock. So that it should not hurt us, we will put this form. See, now it's safe to touch from the back. It doesn't hurt the pin. See, if the clock is ready, it's 6 o'clock, we can play. Its hands can also move. Like this is gonna be 12 o'clock, so now it's 9 o'clock over here. Now it's 9 o'clock over here. Now it's 10. So it's gonna fun to make this, and we could learn time from this also. It's very easy to learn the time from the handmade clock. Time helps us to be punctual. So never waste your time. So I hope you enjoyed the activity. So try it at your home. See you in the next activity. Bye. Love you. If you like my video, please don't forget to share and subscribe. Bye.